Root power. One may have noticed that both our square root and the square, or the root and power of a value, is derived from the circle. One may also notice that a circle is drawn from a straight line. There are a few methods and equations which can produce the circle. The circle is defined as the recursion of the straight line from a fixed point. So, all we have to do is use the circle to construct our root and power series. Roots and powers are derived in the box, that is by deductive geometric operations. Therefore we start with a box and work in the box, and from that box we will be able to achieve all of our roots and powers. I will mainly be presenting just images. Pay attention as the figure is developed. I will start by giving the box a derby hat. Somewhere to the right, I am going to add a point A, and describe AB. Next, I am dropping a perpendicular from A, adding the diagonal C, the intersection D from which a horizontal is produced. Now, for each root and power I will simply add another dimension of difference to the point placement on the line. I will add a geometric progression. So, the figure is drawn as a three-dimensional process. However, the figure itself remains in 2 dimensions. I now hide all the prep work for placing my points on AB. I will now create the locus through point 3, which means I will draw a curve by which we can acquire both the cube root and the cube power of any value we so choose. By hiding the remainder of our construction, we are left with a root power curve. It is ready for use in drawing exponential sequences other than 1. The following is an example of a final product.
False words are not only evil in themselves, but they infect the mind with evil. Phaedo by Plato,